Windows are more than just architectural features. They play a crucial role in determining your home's energy efficiency. For Dallas homeowners, where the climate ranges from scorching summers to chilly winters, properly installed windows are key to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment and reducing energy costs. Let's explore how proper window installation can dramatically improve your home's energy efficiency and why it's an investment worth considering. Prevents air leaks. Improperly installed windows can leave gaps and cracks between the frame and the wall, allowing air to escape or infiltrate your home. This leads to drafts, uneven indoor temperatures, and higher energy bills as your HVAC system works overtime to compensate. Proper window installation ensures a tight seal around the window frame, effectively preventing air leaks. By creating a barrier against outdoor elements, you maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Maximizes insulation performance. Energy-efficient windows are designed with features like double or triple panes, low-E coatings, and insulated frames to reduce heat transfer. However, even the best windows can't perform effectively if they aren't installed correctly. A professional installation ensures that the window is properly aligned within the frame. Insulation materials are applied to fill gaps and crevices. The seals around the window are intact and secure. In Dallas's climate, where temperatures can fluctuate significantly, maximizing the insulation performance of your windows is essential for energy savings. Reduces energy loss through thermal bridging. Thermal bridging occurs when heat travels through a less insulated area, such as gaps in window frames or poorly sealed edges. This is a common issue with subpar installations and can undermine the energy efficiency of your windows. A proper installation minimizes thermal bridging by ensuring frames are flush with the surrounding walls. Weather stripping and caulking are applied correctly to block heat transfer. Materials like foam or sealants are used to create an airtight fit. With these measures in place, your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, no matter how extreme the Dallas weather gets. Improves HVAC efficiency. When windows are installed correctly, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature. Properly sealed and insulated windows reduce the amount of heat that enters during the summer and escapes during the winter. For Dallas homeowners, where air conditioning is a necessity for much of the year, this means lower energy bills due to reduced HVAC usage. A longer lifespan for your heating and cooling systems, as they experience less wear and tear. A more environmentally friendly home, with decreased energy consumption. Prevents moisture and mold issues. Improper window installation can lead to water infiltration during Dallas's occasional storms or high humidity days. Moisture can seep into gaps around the window, leading to mold growth, wood rot, and damage to your walls or insulation. A professional installation eliminates these risks by ensuring watertight seals around the window, using high-quality flashing and drainage systems to direct water away from the frame, properly aligning the window to prevent pooling or leaks, By preventing moisture issues, you protect your home's structural integrity and maintain a healthier indoor environment. Enhances the performance of energy-efficient windows. Energy-efficient windows are a significant investment, but their performance depends on proper installation. Features like gas-filled panes, low-E coatings, and insulated frames can only deliver their promised energy savings if the windows are installed with precision. Professional installers understand how to handle these advanced materials and ensure they function as intended. By combining high-performance windows with expert installation, Dallas homeowners can maximize their return on investment. Boosts home value and comfort. Properly installed windows not only improve energy efficiency but also enhance the overall value and comfort of your home. They provide improved aesthetics. Professionally installed windows look better, with clean lines and no visible gaps. Noise reduction. Tight seals and proper insulation reduce outside noise, creating a more peaceful living space. Higher resale value. Energy-efficient upgrades, like well-installed windows, are attractive to potential buyers. These benefits make proper installation an essential step in any home improvement project. Professional installation versus DIY. While DIY installation may seem cost-effective, it often leads to mistakes that compromise energy efficiency. Professional installers bring expertise in working with various window types and materials, knowledge of local building codes and climate-specific considerations, access to specialized tools and high-quality materials. In Dallas, where weather conditions can be extreme, hiring a professional ensures your windows are installed correctly the first time, saving you money and stress in the long run. Conclusion. Proper window installation is a crucial factor in improving your home's energy efficiency in Dallas. By preventing air leaks, maximizing insulation, and reducing energy loss, expertly installed windows create a more comfortable and cost-effective living environment. If you're considering new windows or suspect your current ones aren't performing as they should, it's time to consult a professional. With their expertise, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, a more comfortable home, and peace of mind knowing your investment is protected for years to come.